Hey guys, Jen here of Gadget Pilipinas. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, pag-uusapan natin ang pinakabagong Camon 40 Pro 5G ni TECNO. This was announced during MWC 2025. At ang gagawin natin today is, since nakuha na natin ang ating unit, we're going to unbox this, give you guys a quick preview and overview of what to expect from this smartphone, at also direct you guys to our full review on our website at gadgetpilipinas.net. So, what we're waiting for, let's get started. So, this is now the retail package of the Camon 40 Pro 5G. There's a lot of things to talk about here. 50 megapixel Sony LYT 700C Ultra Night Camera for the main sensor, curved AMOLED display, and IP68 to IP69 yung kanyang maximum rating. And what we got is a 256 gig storage with 24 gig expanded RAM. Okay, we have here, of course, our cutter, and we're going to open this box right now. Again, special thanks to TECNO for letting us cover MWC. Just to let you know, guys, they were our trip sponsor during MWC 2025, and we were informed that April is the month when they will be officially launching this phone to the Philippines. And by the time we've published this video, available na rin ang aming full review on our website at gadgetpilipinas.net. Earlier, I mentioned about some of the features of this smartphone, and also during MWC, may mga videos tayo na nalabas about this smartphone. And at the back is, you will see naman the chipset, the battery capacity, and also the maximum charge wattage, plus yung Dolby Atmos stereo dual speakers, which of course they're partners with Dolby, and time and again they have been featuring Dolby in most of their smartphones, especially Camon series. Alright, so this is the smartphone. Nakalagay din dito, one-tap flash snap. Ito yung na-feature nila dati, no? Pinapatalo nila yung ibang mga participants during MWC, and the phone magically will determine which shot is best for jumping shots. Of course, isa lang yung sa mga implementations, no? But that can actually be applied to other things as well. Okay, so we'll give you guys a quick tour of the phone. And also, we have a few other things inside. We have here a warranty, 12 plus 1 months warranty. And then after that, we also have here the manual. Plus, it comes with a case. This is it, guys. So this is the case that came with it. And it's pretty unique and it's nice. It kind of also doubles as a plate that can be used as an alternative if you don't want the colorway that you got. So what I have here is the black color. So that I don't want it, but at least I now have an alternative. Hindi lang ako stuck doon sa black na color. So, really good one from TECNO. 45-watt charger. And also we have the Type A to Type C cable. Of course, it is recommended to use the charger and cable that came with the smartphone, but there are other trusted brands right there which you can also use. But again, if you're going to ask me, I'm just going to use whatever that came inside. Okay. Alright, so that's everything inside the box of the Camon 40 Pro 5G. So this is now the smartphone. I'm going to give you guys now a quick overview of the phone. And if you want to read our full review, link to our full review is now in the description box at saka sa ating comments section. So kung gusto nyo mabasa yung full review namin, andun yung blow-by-blow discussion from the build, the design, also our thoughts on the performance, in comparison also with other smartphones of the same category, and also probably the same chipset. Depende kasi yan if this falls under mid-range to low mid-range category, saan siya magfo-fall at ano ang kanyang performance compared to the competition. At ganun pa man din, no, we also have a few other sample photos, articles that you can also check out. Now, back to the review, andun din yung sample photos, our thoughts on the camera, battery performance, network, and also the price. At the time of the production of this video, wala pa kaming information about the price. But of course, at the time na na-publish na namin to, yung full review namin, nandun na rin yung thoughts namin about the value. And as usual, si TECNO, mahilig sila talaga na to squash the competition when it comes to pricing their products. And they've done that before with the TECNO Camon 30 series. And I will not be surprised if it's the same thing here sa Camon 40. Okay. Alright, let's remove the plastic. Oh, there you go. Plastic ng phone. When it comes to the Camon series, ang binibida nila dito sa series ito, of course, we have the camera, thanks to their collaboration with Sony. And apart from the camera is TECNO AI. Si TECNO AI, marami silang mga features dito, not just simply on their laptops, also PCs and flagship devices, but in here as well. May binibida sila dito na information and features about the Camon AI or TECNO AI rather. In fact, if you take a look at the box, nakalagay dito TECNO AI, and it is actually built into the software and also the hardware of the system, because if you're going to take a look at the chipset that came with this is running on MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra, and that also comes with an APU that is dedicated solely for AI processes. Okay, so now let's turn on the smartphone, and while that is happening, let's now give you guys a quick tour of the camera. This is a 3 camera setup, plus we also have here a flash. I think this is a dual flash setup with a dot there, which kind of gives you a vibe na gumagamit ka talaga ng camera. And if you take a look at the design of the smartphone, sabi dito, it's black, but it doesn't look like one, no? Galaxy Black. Iba yung pagkakadating ng Galaxy Black nila, as you can see now in our video. Plus, we do have really easy access on buttons on the right side. We do have a sleep and wake button, plus we also have there the volume rockers. On the left side, we have another button right there that can be used either for camera purposes and also for AI, I believe so. We'll explore that later on, because during MWC, we got to play around with this device. And that is really nice, because at least kahit paano ngayon, you now have an access to at least if you want to take some photos, madaling-madali yan. But it's not located on the usual or natural position when you usually use the shutter button on cameras. But let's see, baka naman tayo masanay doon, because of course you would not want to use your camera this way because nandito yung lente niya. That's another way. Hindi tayo sanay ng ganon, but let's see. No? Okay, let's turn it on. I missed turning it on earlier. So, tingnan natin ngayon. Again, this is an overview. We shot this unboxing video weeks before we publish our full review. So, by the time na pinublish namin to, as I mentioned earlier, sa pinakauna pa lang ay na-experience na namin yung telepono. But now, this is not a review. This is more of an unboxing and overview. There. TECNO AI. Okay. So, galing. Okay. I'm Ella. So, Ella is one of the new things. Not new, kasi Ella naman is built into the other devices by TECNO. But this time, they've improved Ella a lot. And you will be surprised. Sometimes Ella is much better than Siri. I mean, I use an iPhone also. I dual wield an iPhone and an Android. But in my experience during MWC, mas nagulat ako sa kayang gawin ni Ella. Okay, right here, take a look at me. Swipe up. Sounds familiar. Are you speaking English? Yes, I can speak in English. United States muna natin yan. Yes. Where is this region? I like this kind of setup. It's very personal. It doesn't look like it's a generic Android setup process. Okay, so this is now the look of the UI. Let me just pull down a bit yung ating brightness so you guys can see. And if I press and hold the AI button, yan. So meron tayong muna, since first time natin itong bubuksan, agree muna natin yan. Okay, hello there. Great.
How can I help you today?
Hey, tell me about Ella.
I'm Ella, your personal assistant. I can help you with a lot of things.
What language model are you using?
Oops, out of my reach. Ask me again after I've learned it.
Okay, so well, it's still learning. It didn't tell me what language model she is using. But let me just go again with, I believe there is a dedicated place for Ella here. This is Ella. And let me just try and, let's just skip this and record the screen so you guys can see. Okay. All right. So, hi, I'm Ella. I can answer your questions, summarize content, and provide creative inspiration. And we do have here, we can log in again for your TECNO ID. So we can also determine kung ano yung gusto natin ng voice assistant, kung gusto mong Ella o kaya Google Gemini, nasa inyo yun. But that is nice. Hindi madamot, no, si TECNO, kasi pwede mong gamitin kung anong gusto mo na assistant. And also, voice settings, set your preferred voice. Gusto mo strawberry, gusto mo mango.
I'm your personal assistant. I can help you.
Citrus.
I'm your personal assistant. I'm your personal assistant.
Okay.
I'm your personal assistant.
Okay, I'll pick
I can
mango.
help you.
Mango sounds better. Okay, about Ella, do we have an update? Yes, we do have an update here from 4.2 to 4.4.0.028. Okay, so there you go. Deepseek right there. We can actually, before we can change it, but this time we're kind of stuck with just Deepseek, which is okay. Let's ask something to her, and let's use our voice. This time, let's talk about rice terraces of the Philippines. Hey Ella, tell me about the rice terraces of the Philippines and where can I find it? 3 to 4
The rice
seconds.
terraces of the Philippine Cordilleras are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, representing a remarkable feat of engineering and agriculture.
Okay, it's nice kasi may kasama siya ng mga sources which is really nice. And Deepseek R1, kilala si Deepseek R1 for its reasoning, no? And I'm not sure if I can find any reasoning here. Let's see.
The rice terraces of the
Repeat lang natin, Deepseek R1. So, no reasoning involved. It did not show any reasoning. I have no way also of choosing an option na to show reasoning para yung reasoning model yung gamitin natin. But at least, no, meron siyang mga binigay na mga sources for us to verify kung ano yung binigay niyang information. Let's ask for more. Can you help me code C# programming language so I understand how to create a game using Unity? Reasoning model is not working, as you can see, for some reason. Galing.
Of course, while I can't write full projects, I'll guide you through the basics of creating a simple game in Unity with C. Here's a starting framework. 1. Setup, install.
Ang galing. Okay. So, for some reason, nagpakita na siya ngayon ng reasoning, no? And this is important kasi yung reasoning dito, it allows me to understand how the AI understood it and how the AI researched and reasoned bago siya magbigay ng sagot. And it's a helpful way of learning. And I use AI to learn, and this is a really intelligent way of doing so. At least Ella is able to do this, no? Natutuwa ako doon. Okay, let's move to the next feature, which is camera. We have here the camera feature, and as you can see, let's take a photo of a selfie. 1, 2. Now, I used the shutter button, software shutter button, but now let's try to use kung gagana yung button on the left side. It did. Okay, so very good. Okay, gumagana siya. Interesting. Okay, so quality-wise of our photo, syempre may lalabas dito, and that's it. Let me just see first kung ano yung quality niya. Okay naman for selfie. Medyo tama naman ang lighting dito. It could be better. But syempre, we're just using the front-facing camera, and it'll be a little bit different if you use the rear-facing camera. Overall, the UI of the TECNO Camon 40 Pro 5G is really great. It's very good. Malinis, no? Hindi sobrang daming clutter. Some would say, may mga bloatware. I don't want Ella in the picture. But Ella is now integrated into the system. And I believe most of the features here that you can see ay merong integration si Ella in most of the features. So, mahirap tanggalin, and if you try to take it out, baka masira pa yung telepono mo. So, it's not recommended. And at MWC, no, meron silang mga pinakita na mga features dito like yung one snap, no? And we will try that out, and you can check it out also in our full review kung kumusta yung aming kumusta ang performance nun. AI camera, let's see kung ano yung mga features na nandito. Ratio, high pixel, use grid for video. There's dual video. There's also dapat ayun, may AIGC portrait. They said that they added a few more. Let's see. Okay. Agree. Ngayon, mag-generate na ngayon siya ng mga additional photos that I can use. Okay, may mga ginawa na siya based on my photos. Medyo kamukha ng konti. Okay. Now, I'm excited to try this out. I'm excited to show you yung mga features na binida nila. Siyempre, mas more on photography because this is, or that feature is one of its highlights. And we cannot wait to tell you guys kung ano yung thoughts namin sa camera nito. With that, no, this has been our quick unboxing, quick demo of AI and camera, also an overview of the design. Let me just put this here. Oh, look, ganda. Ganda na itsura, manipis pa, no? Again, let me know in the comment section down below if may mga gusto kayong video kami na gawin, no, about this, extra videos. Let us know in the comment section. We will also have some short videos about this one. I will be, of course, showing you some sample photos as well in this video. So, wait and see. This has been Gian, and check out our sample videos using the new Camon 40 Pro 5G.